Today we're going to be backtesting this strategy here on Forex on the 1 hour time frame. We're going to be trading the Great British Pound against the Japanese Yen. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through profitable trading strategies. As you heard in the intro, yes, I'm going to be looking at some Forex strategies here on the David Tech channel. This is going to be a first one for me. Normally I trade BTC myself, but I'm trying to expand my horizon and diversify my portfolio a little bit more. So I'm looking into Forex and some other assets to try and find some great strategies that I could possibly trade myself. So I'm going to be backtesting them on Tradingview. Today, the first one we're going to be looking at is on a 1 hour time frame. So without further ado, the best idea is to get over to my screen. Let's have a look at the trading strategy and see how it performs. But before we go over to the screen, if that sounds something interesting to you, why not subscribe to the channel? I do videos about profitable trading strategies every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I'm going to be dedicating most of my Fridays to Forex and finding hopefully some profitable Forex trading strategies. Right, let's get over to my screen. Let's have a look at today's trading strategy. Before we do that, a huge thank you to Henrik, a member from our community in Discord, who actually helped us to find these settings for this trading strategy. Right, let's go. Okay guys, here we are on GBP JPY. We are on the 1 hour time frame on Tradingview, and this is our trading plan today. As you can see, we have our baseline, which is going to be the FVMA, which is going to give us our trend direction. We have two confirmation indicators, a take profit, stop loss, and our risk to reward. So I'm going to start adding the indicators to our chart. I'm going to go up here and click indicators, and we're going to add the FVMA. Now the FVMA by David Tech can be found here, but to be able to find it, you have to go to davidtech.com, go over to free indicators over here. You'll be able to find the FVMA here in the list just here by clicking on it. Then you literally scroll down and press add to favorites. Then you'll be able to add the FVMA to your chart. Actually, you have to find it under the Fantail FVMA, which is the Fantail volume moving average by David Tech. There you can just add it to your chart. It is free and open source and very easy to use. As you can see, this gives us a moving average which hugs price movement. Okay, we're going to set up the FVMA. We're going to press the cog button here. We're going to set the ADX length to 2, the weighting to 10, and the MA to 7. That's going to give us our baseline. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker for YouTube. Boom. Right now we can see that a little bit better on our charts. As you can see, when price is above the green trend line here, we're taking longs. When it goes red and price is closing below it, we're actually taking shorts. The FVMA has been extremely good to me in the past on crypto trading strategies. Hopefully it'll do as well on these Forex trading strategies. The next indicator we're going to be adding is the super trend. Now personally, I like to use this one here. We're going to click that and add that to the chart as well. We can remove the buy sell signals by going over, clicking the cog over here. We can remove the buy sell signals just like that. To remove confusion, we're looking for the FVMA to be green. We're also looking for our super trend to have crossed over to green to take a long. As you can see, it looks absolutely brilliant as an entry. As you can see, the entries look pretty good. Here we would have made a very quick scalp of 0.58%, which is great, which probably isn't even a scalp in the Forex world. Okay, let's add our final indicator. We're going to back up to indicators up here. We're going to type MACD 0 lag, which is this indicator here. We're going to add that to our charts as well. As you can see, it adds pretty much the same as the MACD here, but instead of having 2 lines, we actually have 3 lines. I'm going to remove all of the other parts from our actual chart here. We don't need the histogram or anything like that. We're going to make the 0 lag white, and I'm going to make it a little bit thicker for YouTube. We're going to add a 0 line just like that here, which allows us to see where we're going to take our entries. Now the 0 lag MACD is a very powerful indicator which adds an extra indicator to the MACD, this moving average here, which is meant to be a non-lagging indicator. So when the 0 lag is above 0, we're allowed to take longs. When it's below 0, we're going to be taking shorts. Okay, so let's have a look at this last entry that we would have got from our trading strategy just here. As you can see, our FVMA is green, The super trend is green and our zero lag MACD has crossed over the white line just here. We're going to add our long position on the following candle, we're going to set our stop loss to 40 pips, which is around 0.19%, and we're going to set our take profits at 80 pips. And boom, you would have had a perfect winner there of 0.39, almost 0.4% win. Now, for me being a crypto trader, this is a bit of a reality check myself, as I'm used to currently myself actually taking much bigger take profits and stop losses than that. But this is going to be something new for me as well as I'm going along and learning. So I guess the best idea now is to go away and code this so we can backtest it as far as we possibly can to see how the actual trading strategy would perform against the buy and hold ratio. Right, let's go.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Right, the backtesting results are in, but before I go over to the backtesting results, I'd love to invite you to come and have a look at our brand new website that we've been building with the members of our community. This website allows you to see how all of the trading strategies are performing on real-time data, not only on backtesting, but live trades as well. We also have this Excel spreadsheet where you can see all of the trading strategies and how they are performing, not only on the backtesting results, but the forward trading results. You can see how they performed over the past 7, 30, and 90 days. You can see how long they've been trading and all of that wonderful stuff in one single place. You'll be able to find all the links to that down below in the description. And of course, whilst I'm building Forex strategies, I will also add a Forex spreadsheet down in the description as we go along. Okay, the backtesting results are in. Drum roll, please. Boom, right, okay, as you can see, the backtesting equity curve looks pretty good. The net profit obviously is a lot less than what we expect from crypto. We have an amazing 4,322 closed trades, which is absolutely insane. Going all the way back to 2011, we have a 41% win rate, which is a bit low, but this is the first strategy that I'm working on. Hopefully we'll get some higher win rate strategies in the near future. Profit factor is 1.1. I tend to aim for a profit factor of over 1.3 personally myself. The max drawdown is looking good at 13.4, and the buy and hold would have been 60%, as this trading strategy would have given us back 142% net profit. As you can see, the table here looks pretty good. Most of the months are in green. And if we pull up the stats here, the max wins in a row was 7, the max losses in a row were 13. We had a total number of wins of 510 and total losses of 640. That's going all the way back to 2021. Obviously, the data from these tables are a little bit less than what we get on the deep backtesting on Tradingview. Now, personally, coming from the crypto world and being a crypto bot trader myself, an algo trader, these percentages look a lot smaller. I'd love to know what you guys think down in the comments down below. In the near future, I'm going to be looking at challenges like prop firm farming, which allows us to beat the old prop firms at their own game, hopefully using trading strategies like these to pass the prop firm challenges, giving us a little bit of extra equity to play with without having too much of risk of our own money. Obviously, a lot of this is all going to be a little bit newer to me. Like I said, I've been doing crypto trading for the past couple of years. And hopefully, I'll be able to diversify my own portfolio by adding these kind of strategies to my portfolio. Right, okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. Guys, once a week, I'm going to be giving away $500 to the most viewed clip of this video or any video of David Tick from this week. Whoever has the most viewed TikTok or YouTube short using this video or the videos from this week, I will send you $500. This is every week and going to be going on throughout the whole of this month and probably for the foreseeable future. You can post as many times as you want. You must tag my TikTok or YouTube username, and you must add David Tick in the title and in the description. I look forward to seeing all your clips, and I look forward to seeing the winners. Okay guys, I have one last thing to do before leaving you, and that is to wish you an absolute wonderful weekend. I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Don't forget to comment down below what you think of this strategy. I'd love to know your thoughts and reactions. Take care guys, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Monday. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.